Students, today's session 12th standard chemistry, density of the unit cell calculating and arrangement. Already discussed arrangement, AA type and AB type, and now continuous session arrangement, type of arrangement, HCP and CCP, hexagonal, cubic, pack and CCP type discuss. Calculating of density of unit cell. So density of unit cell per cubic unit cell, density of cubic unit cell will be calculated equal to mass of the unit cell, that cubic unit per cubic unit present in the atom, how many mass calculate of weight present in the unit cell, divided occupy the volume of the unit cell, mass of the unit cell divided volume of the unit cell. So first will be the calculate of any atom, mass of unit cell calculated equal to total number of atom present in the cubic atom multiply with mass of the one atom. So per cubic more atom is also present. So first of all you will be calculate one atom mass weight and how many atom present will be the multiply with the total number of atom. Mass of the one atom equal to already known 11th standard session, molar mass divided Avogadro number. So every atom equal number of Avogadro's number present. So molar mass of divided Avogadro number. Mass of the one atom equal to molar mass divided Avogadro number. Mass of the unit cell equal to number of unit cell present multiply with mass of molar mass divided number of Avogadro number. So already known volume of the unit cell A into A to A, so A cube, and density of unit cell apply whole divided of A cube, so N multiply molar mass divided number of Avogadro number into A cube is a density of unit cell. Next you will be the discuss closed packing type. Is a AB type is a closed packing type, is a hexagonal closed packing HCP type. So that atom separated the cubic unit cell is the throw away the distance of positions is the imagination is packing efficiency identified. So in HCP hexagonal close packing third layer, so layer A B A type 1 2 third layer of the sphere arrangement directly to the first layer. So same the position, same picture present in the atom first layer to and third layer and directly over the first layer to third layer or third layer to first layer are equal, and tetrahedral wide is the tetrahedral geometry of the AB type HCP packing. The second layer cover with the sphere third layer, the second layer covered with the second layer is covered by the sphere in the third layer. So every one atom or every one each sphere neighbor to the 12 neighboring of the atom, every one atom or every one each sphere in the neighbor in the 12 neighboring of the atom. This is a HCP. Next you will be discuss ABC type cubic closed packing CCP. So already discussed for face center cubic is atom present in the cubic closed packing. The third layer is placed over the second layer. So first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. The third layer placed over the second layer is the opposite function. The third layer to second layer is the variation, is the opposite directions, is all over the sphere. Third layer to position is the octahedral wide, so octahedral void octahedral geometry. The third layer C consider different form of to the first layer. The different form of the first two layer A and B. A and B compared to the third layer C is the different form of the arrangement. This arrangement is a ABC arrangement is called cubic close packing. Cubic close packing. Each sphere has 12 neighboring and the coordination number of is 12. And next very important questions for the that lesson solid state you will be that and simple cubic, body center cubic, face center cubic, type of arrangement, type of cubic unit cell is the first question, and second question simple cubic packing efficiency, third question body center cubic packing efficiency, and fourth question face center cubic packing efficiency. So unit cell first question simple cubic, body center cubic and face center cubic is the calculate unit cell cells. And second question simple cubic packing efficiency, third question body center cubic packing efficiency, fourth question face center cubic packing efficiency, and fifth question types of crystal or solids, types of solids. So amorphous solids and crystalline solids discussed, and the type of primitives, types of primitives and non-primitives. The shape is also perfect cubic is called primitive, and the position arrangement is the variation is called non-primitives. And seventh question isotropic nature and anisotropic nature. Isotropic and anisotropic nature, isotropic and anisotropic. And next will be the discuss unit cell is the 2 mark questions. So most is also important questions. And next the last one the defect, type of defect. So most important type of defect: Schottky defect, Frenkel defect, metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect, point defect is the most important questions for solid state. So very important questions for type of defect. So Schottky defect, Frenkel defect, metal excess, metal deficiency and point defect or etc. So any one questions for defect questions also presents, and the first 4 questions any one type of the one questions also present, and that the 4 type of solid, primitives, isotropic, anisotropic unit cells, any one questions is also follow. So today discuss the cubic close packing is type of the based on face center cubic based in the cubic close packing. The third layer is placed over the second layer. In between the gap all the sphere of the third layer fit in the octahedral void, geometry. The third layer C is different from the first 2 layer A and B. Third layer different between in this compared to the A and B. This is known as ABC arrangement is the cubic close packing. Each sphere has the every sphere is the arrangement neighbor to the 12 neighboring. So coordination number discussed to the coordination compound lessons. So directly enter the answer. Coordination number is 12. Thank you to all.